Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to get the perfect banner size. This is one that isn't going to be lopsided or it's just off key. And let's just get started. So the first thing you want to do is search up YouTube banner template. This is going to show you all the banner templates that people usually use. We are going to use this first one. You want to save this to your files, and we are going to pretty much just create our banner on this template. And let's go to where we usually edit our stuff. So right now I am using Photoscape X. That's what I usually use. I'm going to click Insert, and we're going to add a rectangle. So the first thing we're going to do is highlight this text and logo safe area. This is where our text and logo is going to go. And we're just going to move that up to take the outline off. And we're going to create a new rectangle without an outline. And I'm going to cover all of this up. So now I'm going to apply this right here. And I'm going to put this over it. And we're going to click that and bring it forward and try to match it as good as we can. So this is pretty much where we're going to add all our stuff. So I'm just going to create a banner quickly here, and you guys can watch and see how I do it. So here's the little simple banner that I did. It's nothing much. So now I'm going to save it. Yes. You want to make sure that is JPEG. I made the mistake right now. So now you want to go to YouTube, and to edit your banner to your channel, you want to click the camera button, select photo, and you want to select the one that we just finished. And you can adjust the crop if you want. This is the size that you're getting. And you're going to click select. And of course the banner size is going to be off, but this is the place where your text and logo is going to be in that little box. And it's not going to be the same because it's a different view for each device. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to comment what you want to learn next, and I will post it. Thanks for watching. Bye.